Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Alright guys, so we're here in my 2004 Toyota Camry, and we have a maintenance required light that we're going to take off, and today I'm going to show you guys how to take that off. Alright guys, so you want to make sure your odometer is reading your odometer and not trip A or trip B. You're going to come over here, you're going to press and hold down. You're going to turn the car on. You're going to turn it over and it's going to start flashing. Once it turns to 0, it should have reset, so we're going to turn it off, and now we're going to turn it back on. And there you have it, guys. If you guys could see, there's no more maintenance required light. So that's how you easily take off your maintenance required light. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. Basically what you want to do is have the car off. Make sure your odometer is reading odometer. It's very hard to see right now. But basically make sure you click this until you read odometer instead of trip A or trip B. And then you're just going to hold it. You're going to turn the car on to key on, engine off. It's going to start flashing. And then once it turns to all zeros, that will have reset your maintenance required light. You turn it back to completely off, and then you can turn the car on and your light is now off. Hopefully that helps you guys turn your maintenance required light off after an oil change or whatever. You don't need, this just shows you don't need a fancy scan tool or any kind of fancy equipment to do it on your 2004 Toyota Camry. So hopefully that helped you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.